Hey everyone, welcome back to the Auto Luxury channel. Imagine if Ford had taken the muscle car magic of the 1964 Mustang and built it into a pickup truck. Sounds wild, right? Well, buckle up. Today, we're taking a deep dive into the rare and head-turning 1964 Ford Mustang Pickup, a custom creation that blends classic style with vintage American ingenuity. Exterior. The 1964 Mustang was Ford's first pony car, but this isn't your typical fastback or coupe. This one-off pickup conversion started as a standard Mustang and was masterfully transformed, either by an aftermarket custom shop or, as some legends say, by Ford themselves as a prototype. The body lines remain unmistakably Mustang. That long hood, the signature concave grille, and the galloping pony emblem are all intact. But from the B-pillar back, everything changes. The rear seats are gone, replaced by a functional pickup bed, complete with chrome rails, wood inlay, and a rear tailgate that blends surprisingly well with the car's sporty lines. It's riding on period-correct 14-inch steel wheels with Mustang center caps, keeping that vintage aesthetic alive. Whether it's parked at a car show or cruising Main Street, this Mustang pickup always grabs attention, because it's just so unexpected. Interior. Inside, it's classic 60s Mustang, clean, simple, and built for driving pleasure. Bucket seats in black vinyl, matching the dash and door panels. The iconic twin-pod instrument cluster with speedometer and fuel and temperature gauges. A 3-spoke wood rim steering wheel adds a sporty flair. There's an AM radio and heater controls, minimal, but era-authentic. What's different? The rear seat area has been replaced with a solid metal wall and the back window has been reshaped to fit the pickup profile. It's part muscle car, part utility vehicle, and all kinds of cool. Performance. Under the hood, this Mustang pickup isn't just a showpiece, it's got some muscle too. Most 1,964.5 Mustangs came with the 170 cubic inch inline 6 or the optional 260 V8. This particular build, it's rocking a 289 cubic inch V8, paired with a 3-speed automatic. That's good for around 200 horsepower, which, in a lightweight body like this, makes for plenty of fun. Driving it feels like piloting a Mustang coupe, tight steering, throaty exhaust note, and enough torque to make you smile every time you hit the gas. And despite being a pickup, the weight distribution stays pretty balanced, a testament to the build quality. The 1964 Ford Mustang pickup is one of those rare builds that makes you stop and stare. It's not just a Frankenstein of parts, it's a vision of what might have been if Ford had combined their best-selling pony car with their love of trucks. It's rare, it's bold, and it's dripping with 60s style. Whether you're a Mustang purist or a custom car fan, there's no denying this pickup is a one-of-a-kind icon. So, what do you think? Should Ford have made a Mustang pickup from the factory? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more classic car deep dives and custom builds. Until next time, keep your wheels turning and your imagination W.